Hi, this video is about unboxing of new Lily drone. Lily drone was released about a couple of years ago, but news was, and then it was canned for some reason, and they haven't been able to make this, and then they decided to make a new one. So here it is. I already had 4 packages instead of a Pro package. Pro package just comes with this box, I believe, and this is the box that comes with the other 4 package, which should include a few extra stuff. Let's start with the Pro package, and here it is. Come on! Come on! Alright, so it says welcome to the Lily family, thank you for blah blah blah, next gen and new drone. Yeah, I was excited about this drone long time ago because this is a drone that follows you wherever you go, and depending on the speed that you go, and I think it's up to 15 miles an hour. And being privileged of being a man, we don't need manual, right? Open the box, and there's a drone. Old one supposed to be a round model. This one is a very smaller and very longitudinal model, and I don't know which one's a top or bottom. I think this is the top. And this is supposed to look like this, and this is a camera, and this is the only drone that I wanted to have. I don't know if I'm supposed to pull it out, I don't know, maybe, and it's supposed to look like this. I don't know if how this stays, but just going to leave it as it is, and comes with a couple of batteries. And let's see what this is. CPE. This looks like some sort of a charger. There's a USB cable. Alright, I'm not gonna need this. Oh, by the way, this is a nice case that came in with, and a couple of extra parts, screws, props. Alright, hopefully I'm not going to need any of this for now, so I'm going to put it back. Which was on the last box, last pocket. I think this is the battery. Alright, some sort of weird looking battery. Actually they did this package is pretty nice, it looks like. This is real first time I'm using a drone for the first time, so I don't know much about drone, but just want to get this out to you just to show you what it looks like. This is the seems like the USB charger connector. There you go. It says Lily on the side. I think it's very nicely packaged. How it flies, that's another question. So I'm going to put this away for now, and let's take a look at the other part. Now this is the one that I believe this is the extension package for the full package instead of a Pro model. I think this is what comes with the Pro model. Let's see. So with the full package, it comes with the card, 4 of them. The thing is that it's all black and black, so that can't really see much. So I'm just going, since I'm not a pro, I'm just going to have this installed somehow, somewhere. And let me pause this for a minute. Alright, I just got some white background so you can see the what the component looks like at least. And as you can see, there's 2 batteries, charger cable, and the outlet connector, and some fan blades, and the I don't know what this is, some plastic parts, and some screws as well. And this is the unit. This must be fit. So this goes on like this, and it stands like this. Nice. And the other this will go on. Snaps right in, like that, like that. Cool. Alright, so that was easier than I thought. Didn't need the manual. That's a good thing. It looks kinda crooked. I don't know what it is. Maybe I need to read manual. Alright, let me read the manual and come back. Alright, back for the second time, and I charged the battery and I try to read the manual, but I have no idea what they're saying. Just want to show you how to install the battery, which goes on top and right here like this, and then pops in. That's it. Now another thing is you have to install the app. I think it's the either iPhone or the Android. And I just want to show you the app here. And when you start, and this pops up. Now I have to connect the Wi-Fi to the there you go. The Lily shows up connected through the Wi-Fi, and show password, I believe. Come on. Password is Lily drawn. Done. It's connecting. Alright, dismiss. Yep. Alright. Drone has been connected. Upgrade. Well, this will conclude the unboxing of this. I'm gonna have to upgrade this and the blah blah blah. And we'll just have to see next time for the how this thing flies. Goodbye.